Welcome back, everybody. Today I want to show you how to make a delicious breakfast sope. So these are pre-made from the store. There's countless videos on YouTube, people showing you how to make these. Of course, these are made out of white corn masa, okay? The same as a white corn tortilla. We have to toast these things up. I have my griddle on low. Gonna put down a little bit of olive oil, and we're gonna put these down in the oil. You can see I'm on a slope here, so my oil's running away. We're gonna start toasting these up. And we're gonna put a little bit of olive oil inside each one as well. We're gonna brush it in there. We're gonna basically get the same effect as if we were shallow frying these. And since these are a little bit concave from the way they were refrigerated, I'm gonna use my Blackstone Griddle press to keep them flat. Most recipes that I've seen on YouTube or most food trucks deep fry these things. I think that the air fryer would also be a good option. We're doing a breakfast variety today, so you have to have chorizo. I recommend getting something that's good from a butcher that you can trust, because if you buy some of those crazy brands of chorizo out there, you're getting all the portions of the pig in there, and I want a little more control, hopefully slightly more healthy. Chorizo, absolutely delicious Mexican sausage, perfect for breakfast burritos, or in this case, breakfast sopes. Let's check on our sopes. Perfect, look at that. Gorgeous, gorgeous golden brown. Let's check out our sopes. Oh yeah, look at that, man. Gorgeous, gorgeous color. I'm actually just gonna pull these aside for now. We'll set them up on our bacon press. That way they'll stay nice and hot, and they'll be ready when we're ready to plate those up. We're gonna crack some eggs. Let's whisk our eggs up with a fork here, kind of break them up. Egg mixture down into my chorizo. Just fold those over a few times, and we'll scramble up our eggs. Any kind of Tex-Mex seasoning works well. I think today we're gonna use Blackstone Street Taco. We're gonna go with a lot of cheese today. This is a Mexican cheese blend: queso, quesadilla, asadero, Monterey Jack. The cheese is melting, so let's grab our sopes. Come over here. I just love using cast iron platters for presenting my food or for cooking on the griddle. Look at that. That cheese is just melted beautifully. Look at that. Oh my goodness. So go ahead and pull that chorizo and cheese. Oh, look at that cheese, by the way. Look at that. That's the queso quesadilla. Grab our mixture here, our filling. Now, traditional street style sopes have salsa and just onions and cilantro. So I decided to do my own thing today and make a breakfast one. I could see making a version of this with refried beans. You could pretty much even do a chili relleno version of this. I think I'll do that one next. So in the traditional sense, we're gonna go down with the chopped white onions and cilantro. This is the way they'd be served up in most of the food trucks. A Mexican crumbling cheese. Today we have queso fresco. A little bit of queso fresco on top. You can also use crema. You know how much I love it, but since we've got several kinds of cheese on there today, I'm gonna opt out, but definitely recommend it. Last but not least, my all-time favorite Mexican hot sauce, the Cholula chili garlic. Cholula chili garlic, not regular Cholula, but chili garlic all the way. And you know how some people do. They like to go in with one of those dustings at the end. Take a look at that. You can use these as an appetizer or as a main dish. You pick them up like this. Perfect finger food. Oh, smells so good. Let's give it a try. These things are so good. I'm definitely gonna be making more in the future. What's not to like about that? So good. Friends, I appreciate you watching. We have so much going on right now. We've got a brand new show called Pizza Party. New episode every week, hosted by one of your favorite brand chefs from the Blackstone Network, including yours truly. Make sure you check us out at blackstoneproducts.com because that's your portal for everything Blackstone. And if you want to get something cool like a Blackstone hoodie, like this right here, just go out to griddlenation.com. These are killer. So thanks for watching. And until next time, this is Todd. I'm saying praise the Lord and pass the Breakfast Sopes.